Hello everybody, this is Goofy Noofy with How to Make Your iPhone Moan, Remastered version 2, the final moan. There were some issues in my previous iteration where you would be able to hear your iPhone moan after plugging it in once, maybe twice before it would stop copying for clipboard. So here is a new method that solves that issue. So you're gonna first start by going to either my page or an anime, spicy anime of your choosing, and you're gonna wanna screen record the audio sound wherever you'd like. Then you're gonna go to shortcuts, go to library, press the plus in the top right. You're gonna want to say encode media. Press the little arrow, audio only. Press the eye at the bottom of the screen. Press show in share sheet. Once that's on, you go to save file. And now that this is all finished, you can press the arrow at the top, rename, convert video to audio, just so you can see it when you come up. So now that you're done with that, leave the app, go to photos. Quick editor note, make sure you edit your video you screen recorded so it has the moan from start to finish and nothing more. And as you can see, I have my desired audio. You're gonna wanna go here, click share in the bottom left. Then you're gonna scroll down until you see convert video to audio. It's gonna direct you to open it somewhere. Here I made a file, and I believe you can just do that. Press the three dots, new folder, and then you can put the file in the new folder. I just have it named nothing, so it's my third saving of it, so put it in there. Once you're finished with that, go back to shortcuts, leave this, automations at the bottom. Once you're at automations, you click new automation, scroll until you find charger, click charger, run immediately. Next, you go to play sound. Then you're going to want to do file, press file, move this to the top, click your recording. You may have to find it in your folder. Like I said, mine is nothing. Click folder, open, then copy to clipboard, move this up, then press the down arrow on play sound, choose variable, clipboard, and then save. So now, as you can see, I'm going to plug in my phone. And yeah, it made the noise. I don't know if, hopefully you heard it. It does do it. I'm plugged into something weird that changes the video on my phone into a monitor, but so I didn't hear. I only heard the beginning portion of it, so hopefully you guys heard the rest of it. There should be the foolproof method to make it moan all the time, so this is a good prank that you can pull on your friends if you have their phone, or just something you might like for yourself. You know, no one's here to judge. I had this 5 years ago when I made the first rendition. I maybe had it for 3 months before I turned it off. So it's, yeah. And thank you guys for so much support on the first rendition. I will take any questions that you guys will have. I'll try to troubleshoot. Hopefully this is the last version that I have to make. But yeah, I do it for you guys, so peace out.